No, would you like to play? What's up? It's your girl, Susie B. Back again with another video. And today, we're doing this ragdoll look. Voodoo doll, ragdoll, piece together doll, whatever. Yeah, it was pretty fun. It's pretty fun. This is... Let me step. Yeah, I killed this. Killed it. So if you've been following me on Instagram, you know that I've been posting a few looks for Halloween just to give y'all some inspiration. So I wanted to do a tutorial on YouTube because y'all know my channel is all about easy, like a beginner can do it. So this is a very easy look, even though it looks like it may have been complicated. It's easy. So I wanted to bring that to y'all. Quick disclaimer though. The eyes I did off camera because I forgot that I was trying to film a video. So the eyes are done off camera, but it's a really basic look. It is two colors, literally two colors. There's a purple and a blue, and they see all. Hello. No, would you like to play? I'm lots of fun. I promise. All right, y'all, that was the ragdoll look. I hope you guys liked it. Thank y'all for watching. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, because if you don't hit the bell notification, you won't be notified the next time I upload. If you're not notified the next time I upload, then you got to search my name. That's Brush Stroke by Susie Bougie. That's a lot of words. Help me help you find me easier. That's all I'm trying to say. Also, comment down below. Let me know what other looks I should do, because this is fun. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. Talk to you later. Bye. Bye, friends.